Welcome back to another wonderful episode of MidNite Gardeners, y'all. Today, we will be taking a look at filling the bed. So far, what I've gotten today is some mulch. We've got the compost, peat moss, and vermiculite mix over here. And of course, as you know from the last episode, we put a hugelkultur base down on there. That's what we're taking a look at today, and we'll find out who is messing up this container. I'll show you that in a second. Before we get started, I'd like to highlight these beautiful little things. These are garlic. You just take one little piece off of the whole clove and plant it pointy side up. We put these in the ground during the winter, and by the end of the summer, when we pull them up out of the ground, they will each be their own cluster. It'll be beautiful. I look forward to sharing that with you. Okay, so let's talk about the bed here real quick. Basically, what I did was I got this Texas native hardwood mulch, and there was a lot of uneven spaces because of the way the hugelkultur works, and I just laid it out to create kind of an even foundation for the actual soil that we're going to place down in here. Now what we're actually going to fill the bed with is going to be a 3-part mixture. 1 part vermiculite, 1 part cotton burr compost, and 1 part pure Canadian spag and peat moss. Alright, that's what I've been mixing here in this tub. And as I mix batches of it, I'm going to pour it directly into the bed now. This is going to be hard to film, so we'll just spill it. I just thought it'd be fun to show it being spilt in, and we'll just stir it up once it's in the bed. But you get the idea. I'll come back after I'm done. Holy cow, this is going to be hilarious when we try to move out. I just realized. So here's a cool picture. We got half the mulch over here on this side, and over there half of what it's going to look like when it's finished. It's gorgeous. All that white stuff, by the way, that's vermiculite. It's to keep the soil moist and also to improve drainage. Okay, I'm going to show you something, but you can't tell anybody about it, okay? It's just between you and me, okay? Now, you might be wondering at this point, what the heck is that going on there? I thought we were going to talk about outside stuff, but so this is my seed starting station, and I hope to start some really unique seeds, especially tomato seeds this year, in this garage setup that I have. That's enough time messing around inside. Let's go back outside and knock the rest of this bed out. I will see you on the other side. Well, gardeners, this episode might be cut a little early. This little cutie wandered into my backyard, and he or she is probably very scared and looking for their owner. So we'll work this through. Oh, you're so cute. I'd keep you for sure, but I can't, okay? Because this guy right here. Let's see. She's usually in the window. She is not. But we got to find this cutie's home, so we'll catch you next time, MidNite Gardeners. Thanks for joining. Okay, so crisis averted. Turns out that was Russell. It was a boy, not a girl. And he lived just down the street from me. So with a couple neighbors' help, they grabbed a leash and we started walking him down the sidewalk, and finally somebody recognized him. And, well, see you later, Russell. It was cute while it lasted. A lot of people keep asking me, why do you guys call it MidNite Gardeners? You guys don't do anything at night. Oh, you better bet we do. MidNite Gardeners, time for the headlamps. In the very beginning, we did a lot of videos with just headlamps, and that's because we were coming home from work. It was late, and we wanted to do some gardening, and it was just not really possible to do any kind of gardening at night without headlamps. And so the idea of gardening anytime, anywhere, on any budget became real. MidNite Gardeners. Alright, things are getting pretty serious here, gardeners. With the Happy Frog soil conditioner, we're going to use this in place of compost. It really is compost. And we're also going to switch to, well, we were already using this before, but the bigger bag of the Canadian spag and peat moss, and we're going to continue with that bag of vermiculite there. Alright, so this bag here says that it is made with generous helpings of earthworm castings, bat guano, and beneficial microbes. Some of the main differences that I've seen here in this product versus the product before is that it is definitely a lot more just crumbly. It's a lot darker. It doesn't look to have as much wood component in it as it does a lot of real organic material. So this was definitely not the cheaper compost. I bought this to put on the top layer, and it is the Happy Frog. Let's see how it looks when it's all mixed together. Okay, y'all, that's it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed checking out how to finish out the raised bed. And we also had a surprise guest, so that was a lot of fun. Here's your outro. Catch you next time.